Hello, we are going to go over all things checklist in this video. So to access the checklist screen, we're going to go to the Clients tab and we're going to select the checklist option over on the left-hand side. As you can see, we already have a checklist that's created. Some of the functionality that we have available to us when we create them is we can actually just kind of reprioritize the tasks and move them up and down. So checklists function as a way to help keep us organized with the tasks that we have to do with every single client or a client of a specific type. So our options are to duplicate a list, delete a list, edit a list, or create a new one. We're going to go ahead and select the option for new checklist. And this checklist is going to be for new clients. And the next question is, how are we going to add people? So how does the system, do we want the system to do it for us or do we want to do it? So we're going to go ahead and select automatically. Then who, do we want to add clients or network contacts? So we're going to add clients to this one. Now the clients will automatically get added to this checklist based on what label they select or what label we select for them. So labels kind of help to run this automation. And we have a separate video for how to set up our labels. So for this list, we're going to select birth clients and we'll go ahead and hit save. So it creates the list, and based on the label that we selected, it's already found clients that match that criteria. So now we're going to go ahead and go in and we're going to add some tasks. So we want to send a welcome email, and if you'd like, you can add a description in here as well that gives more information or where to go to find a specific something. This is really just for you. And we'll go ahead and add a couple more tasks in here just really quickly. And then once we have our tasks added, we can now start to check off our tasks. So for each client that we've completed something for, we'll just put that check mark in there. And like I said, this really just functions as a way for us as doulas to stay organized when we work with our different clients. There is another area where we can access this checklist screen. So if we stay in the Clients tab and on the left-hand side, we navigate over to the Clients option. When we select a client whose label matches the checklist that we're looking for, right? So we're working on that birth checklist. If we select Rebecca's profile, and up across the top here, you can see she's got a little checklist tab in her profile. You can also see this same checklist. So you're able to manage these tasks for your different clients in one of two ways. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we'll see you soon.